Downloading tax forms related to Social Security online is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download the necessary forms. Step 1. Visit the Social Security Administration website. Go to the official Social Security Administration SSA website at www.ssa.gov. This is the primary source for all Social Security related information and forms. Step 2. Navigate to the Form section. Once on the SSA website, look for a menu option labeled Forms or Publications. This section contains various tax forms and documents related to Social Security. Step 3. Search for specific tax forms. In the Forms section, you can either browse through the list of available forms or use the search function to find specific tax forms you need. Enter keywords like tax forms or the specific form number if you know it. Step 4. Select and download the desired form. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Print or fill out the form. Once downloaded, you can either print the form to fill it out manually or use PDF editing software to complete it electronically. Make sure to save your changes if you fill it out digitally. In conclusion, accessing and downloading tax forms related to Social Security online is simple. By following these steps, you can easily obtain the forms you need for your tax preparation.